world's finest. Another one over there. The other day I seen a bunch of them, man. They just getting ready to ride down them. I wish I would have had my camera. They hit the corner on somebody, boy. They was swatted up. I was like, oh shit, they finna get somebody. They going somewhere now. That's like 4 police cars right there. There's another one back over there. Range Rovers. Is this a convertible Range Rover? Is that a car or SUV? Range Rover Evoque. Now this is a car I don't know a lot about at all, other than it's very expensive to maintain. But this shit, I mean, it's clean. That's $42,000. I bet your used one probably is not that bad. This is a Range Rover Supercharged. It's a Land Rover. This must be an older model. Range Rover Discovery. These are nice though. These are real nice. Now, the price ain't nice though. That's $67,000. Oh man, look inside though. Dude, that is sweet. I don't really know enough about these to really say which one I would like, but just from looking at them, I think that Discovery or one of these right here, the Land Rovers. It's got the little deal that pops out when you want to put it in gear. This black one though, man, this black one is like, come get me. And then you look at the price, it's like, no, you can't have me. I don't know, if I wanted a everyday driver, I'm not sure this would be something that you could do. Yes, you could do it every day, but that's 72. I just don't know enough about them to really say, you know, what is the best deal. I mean, they all look nice. I had a friend who had one though, and he said it was very expensive to maintain. Like really, really expensive. Like a headlight was like $1,000 to replace. Or some crazy mess like that. This is 96. What is this? Range Rover HSE. It must be a 2017 year. Oh yeah, that's crazy right there. They're nice though. There's no doubt about that. If you was in the market for a Range Rover, this place has got the selection. I think this is in White Settlement. This thing that's covered up, I don't know what it is. They must have just got it in. These must be the ones that just came off the truck. I like this one right here. This color right here, this kind of matte silver, matte gray. Yeah, these are brand new. These are 2018s. Yeah, these are nice. What's the price? God dang, $100,000. Man, let me get my ass off this lot. I might as well look at this one though. Yeah, these are nice though. If you're in the market for a very expensive damn truck, I just haven't heard any really good information about them. All the ones, everybody I know who had one said they had problems with them. So take it for what it's worth. I wouldn't see myself buying a Range Rover. But they are sweet.